Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I am going to show you how to go live on YouTube with relaxing sounds or nature sounds or pretty much anything that you want to stream live on repeat. So you may have seen some of these channels like The Relaxed Guy, and they have all these live streams going concurrently, and basically this is a 24/7 stream. And it's actually quite easy to set up one of these streams. If you want me to show you each and every step of how to get one of these live streams up and going, it's a pretty nice short little tutorial. Stick around and I'll show you right now. So all we're going to need is three things basically. We need a video, a pre-recorded video that we're going to stream. We need a piece of software called OBS Studio that we're going to stream with. And then we just need to set up a live stream on our YouTube. So I've created a 10-hour long video of just ocean sounds with a still screen, basically. It looks like this. And if you don't know how to create these long videos with nature sounds, I will be popping up another video showing you how to do that, and I'll leave the link in the description to this video. So if you want to learn how to create these videos, but this is my pre-made video. It's 10 hours long, and when it reaches the end, my software will just go back to the start and play it all over again. So that's the first part of the puzzle. We just need a long video that we're going to live stream. The second part is downloading a piece of software called OBS Studio. You can get this for the Mac, you can get this for the PC. This tutorial will work on both PC and Mac. I've tested it out and it works fine. The great thing about OBS Studio is that it's completely free and there is no premium version, so you don't have to pay for the software at all. It's open source. So once you've installed OBS Studio, it's going to give you a screen like this, like the default loading screen. So first of all, we are going to grab our video and drop it in this little box right here that says sources. So this video is the source for our live stream, and there we go. It's ready to go. It's automatically started playing that. I'm just going to stop that for the moment. Okay, so this live stream has a video in it ready to go. Now we have to jump over to YouTube and set up the live stream before we can start streaming. So to do that, it's quite easy. You log into your YouTube channel. I might add at this moment, you do need 1,000 subscribers before they'll let you go live on YouTube. So if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, maybe pop up some more content or go and comment on a whole lot of videos and see if you can get those subscribers up to 1,000 or more. But basically, when we're ready to go live, we are going to select the Create button right here. And you can upload a video, create a post, or go live. We're going to go live. So we've got Manage, Webcam, and Stream. So what we actually want to do is go to Manage and Schedule a Stream. We want to select Schedule Stream. And we want to select streaming software. So this is saying I can copy what I've used previously, but I'm going to create a new one and I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So you just give it a nice title and description. So when I create a title for a live, I pop this little red dot because it kind of makes it look like it's live. I'm going to pop this in the category of music, and we need to give it a thumbnail. So what I do is I create my thumbnails in a program called Canva. Canva is amazing. It's like Photoshop, but it's just in your browser and it has all these really quick to use designs. I created this thumbnail really quickly. Basically, all I did is I went to this Elements tab and typed in ocean or night, ocean, beach at night. I typed in beach at night and selected photos. If you see this little crown, then that means you need the Pro license, which is just like $10 or $15 a month. I've been using Canva Pro for a couple of years because it's amazing. It's got all my design needs in there. So I'm just gonna, because I can just quickly make stuff like this and it looks fantastic. So there we go. There's a beach, and then all I'm going to do is grab the text, add a heading, and call it, what did I call this one? Ocean waves for sleeping. Let's just do that. So there is my text, and I'm going to give that a little background lift so it pops out a bit more. And then under elements, you type in live on YouTube. If we go to all, we should be able to find a little live thing like this. And I just pop that in the corner when I'm doing live. Or maybe this one's a bit better. No. And then we download our thumbnail. So we give our stream a thumbnail. There we go, with a nice little live symbol on there. You don't really have to put it into a playlist unless you have a special playlist for lives. And then you can even put tags in here if you want, but I do that after a live stream is finished. And then we go next. We choose if we want the monetization on or off. I'm popping mine on. And we get to select whether we want a live chat or anything like that. I'm just going to leave the defaults on. Basically, we're going to make this public and we're going to schedule it for maybe tomorrow. But this will start streaming as soon as I get the OBS software. It'll trigger this stream. So just make sure you pop that one day into the future or something like that. So now we're going to get this screen here, and all we need to grab is the stream key, which is this one right here. So where it says stream key, I'm going to go copy, and then now we can go back over to OBS, and we just have to go to the settings. So let's go start streaming, and it's saying we need a stream key or something, and go to settings. So I'm going to select open settings. Here we go from general down to stream, and we select the service as YouTube, and then we can either connect our account or use a stream key. So let's use a stream key, paste in that stream key that we copied, and select OK. Now right here we have to do a couple of really important settings before we go live. The first one is under this sources tab where we dragged in our video. We need to go down to this little cogwheel here, which is the settings, and we need to make sure that the loop is selected. That way, if your video is only 1 hour long, but you want to stream for, 2 days or something, or even 5 hours, it'll just go back to the start and keep playing in an indefinite loop. So you'll see that when I did that, it started playing. And this is the other really important thing. Under the audio mixer, you have to make sure your desktop audio is all the way down, and you need to make sure your microphone or AUX is all the way down. Otherwise, when you go live, they'll have the sound of the ocean, but they'll be able to hear everything in the room from your microphone or any YouTube video you watch playing on your computer from your desktop audio. So we want no desktop audio, no microphone, only livestream1.mp4. So that'll be whatever file you've dragged in. We only want the audio from that file. And now I'm going to hit start streaming. It's going to connect. And now this is streaming. See this little green light down here means, yes, we are streaming. So when we go back to YouTube, it should update and show that we are actually now streaming. So it's detected. It says, looks like you are ready. Click here to start streaming. So it has connected nicely, telling us we've got an excellent connection. So basically, when we're all ready to go, we're just going to hit go live and you will be streaming live. That's as simple as it is. You can stream this for as long as you've got your computer on. So you can stream this for 20 days if you like. One thing that you should know is if you stream more than 12 hours, you will not be able to have the video saved. So basically, if you have a 20-hour stream, and then you go and try and watch, see, this is a stream that I did right here. But I ran this stream for 50 hours, and then I was hoping that I could keep this as a permanent video on my YouTube channel. But you'll see here, when people go to it, it'll say this stream recording is not available. That's because I streamed it for 50 hours. So if you want the video to be available after the live stream as a permanent video on your YouTube channel, make sure you stream for less than 12 hours. So that is how you make a long nature sound video. And make sure you have a look in the description if you want to get Canva. I'll leave a link to Canva. If you want to learn how to create the long videos with the nature sounds, I can show you how to do that. I'll leave a link in the description there. Make sure you do subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.